project management is something which I feel is missing from the new lot that is coming. आपने 10 साल पढ़ा रहे हैं, if I'm not wrong, early 2000s में आपने degree की. So you've learned that first of all you've worked with amazing people, right?
Thank you.
And then you worked, for at least 15-20 years आपने लगा दिए काम करते हुए, तो आपको तो समझ लग गई. Yeah, how am I going to do this project, man? But the people who are working with you, it's not only, I've seen in Lahore, I've seen in Islamabad also, कि project management के फुकदान की वजह से, the vision that you have is not coming out the way it should come out, right? उसके बारे में आपका क्या?
देखिए मेरे ख्याल में again it comes down to the system that we have in place here. Abroad, when I was working in the UK, वहाँ पर you don't become an architect immediately after graduation.
Right.
You have to sit for the RIBA Part 3, that this is the Royal Institute of British Architects. तो वहाँ पर आपको 2 साल काम करना पड़ता है.
Right.
And so you have to, and there's a whole list of requirements that you have to fulfill, which means project management, client interaction, and kind of overseeing how the whole process takes place in terms of construction. So that really teaches you the nitty-gritty of how things work, right? So and that process has to take place before they give you a degree, before they give you a license to become an architect. So in Pakistan currently we tend to hand a license over right after graduation, and I think that also creates some issues.
यहाँ पे तो मैं if I'm sorry मैं आपकी बात काट रहा हूँ, वो जिस तरह एक ज़माने में we had people, it's like a machine, you're putting a person in and he's coming out with an MBA degree. इसी तरीके से since I'm associated with this industry, so I see so many people trying to do architecture, trying to do interior design, but once they're coming out of their machine, the only good thing that is coming out of it is the degree that they have in their hands. Apart from that,
project management is not something मेरे ख्याल में आप university level पे teach कर सकते हैं. That has to happen through experience. So I think the best way of doing it is that you are given a number of years where you learn. And normally यहाँ पे तब आप young graduate होते हैं और आप करना शुरू करते हैं, तो they end up giving you the kind of work which doesn't really give you a holistic understanding of the profession. So again, if I refer back to the RIBA, उनके बड़े rigid rules होते हैं in terms of exactly what kind of experience you need to gain over the 2 years. And after that, you have to sit for an interview. There are a couple of papers you have to pass before, again, you get a license. So I think it's the best way really is experience. I think again I would say we need to question exactly what the whole curriculum should be, and also at what stage in the process do you get the title of an architect.